This snap of Oros Mampofu and his newborn will melt your heart. Judging by one of his latest Instagram posts, actor Oros Mampofu is enjoying every moment of fatherhood. Oros and his bae, Bianca, welcomed their little princess into the world 2 weeks ago. In a heartwarming moment with his daughter, Oros was caught taking a nap with her on his chest. Here's another super cute moment which Oros gave fans a glimpse of. Pouring his heart out previously, Oros called fatherhood the greatest pleasure afforded to me in life to this day. It still feels exciting and unreal to me. But beyond all else, my greatest gratitude has been affording myself and Bianca the opportunity to take this first experience of having a child in and being fully here. Being there for each other at every juncture of this journey has been my greatest priority and pride, and I can't be happier to be here with you, Bianca.